Hello everybody and welcome to Stour Vale Railway. Today's video is going to be something slightly different. A couple of days back ago I posted on a few of the Facebook groups looking for advice about how you convert the old Hornby riveted couplings like so to accept the new NEM pockets. I've seen a lot of conversion videos on YouTube, but they've been of the sort of more Bachmann and other ones which are sort of easier to accomplish. So some of the pictures you will get shown will show you some of the first attempts. So I have now successfully converted this first end. However, it come at the cost of originally I tried, before I reached out on the Facebook groups, I tried to use brute force pliers, which then meant that I actually broke the bogie, which come away. So that's when I turned to Facebook. The community there were really great, and within probably an hour of me posting, a lot of other people that have done it before had said that they have either used a slightly bigger drill bit, or they've used obviously sort of cone type Dremel attachments on a Dremel to do that. So with that in mind, I obviously have now converted the other one and repaired it from where I've broken it, and I thought I'm no way by means any expert. However, I thought I would do a video, because obviously I turn to YouTube a lot of the time for a lot of the inspiration and the how-to things, and unfortunately when I typed in replacing couplings, old couplings, etc., like I say, there was a lot of talk about changing over, but there wasn't too many people showing the actual conversion, or they'd edited out the bits that I'm about to do, and showed the sort of starting position, which obviously is the old tension locks. Try and get that in focus, to then get that. So I'm by no means an expert, however, this is what I've done. This is going to be the first time I've done it on the coach, because like I say, the first bit with the one that I converted, I did that where it was already broken away, where it had given way when I tried to do it in an early attempt. So this could be a 5-minute video, this could be a 50-minute video, could be a complete and utter disaster, but that's the joys, and we will obviously see what happens. So hope that's okay. Hope people find this useful. I would have found this sort of thing useful. So yeah, let's get on to it. Right then guys, welcome back. I just thought I would set that up off camera rather than making you all giddy and sick. So thanks for bearing with me. Right, what I will do here, obviously as you can see I've got the camera in focus on the coupling area. So it's this rivet that we've got to drill out. I've got everything set, and what I should say also as well, one thing I forgot to mention on my equipment list is obviously safety goggles for your eyes. So obviously safety comes first, so let's make sure that we do that. Right, without further ado, make sure that's all ready, and then what we do is we just start this on. So just literally simply put the drill in the rivet, just several rotations, bang, there goes the coach. Several rotations, don't rush this. The thing with that 2mm drill bit is that it is actually incredibly close. So like I said, what I did last time was I started with the 2mm drill bit and then subsequently moved up to the 2.5. What you might be able to start seeing is that you can already start to see the slight stages of indentation, but now moving up to this bigger drill bit should help that along. So as you can see there, that's started to make a bit of an impact. Again, just a case of, you know, slowly and gradually. Bingo! There we go. Job's a good one. So that's drilled the rivet out. One thing I will do is just drill a couple of more times, because what we're going to then need to do from the other end is just get the top of the rivet out of the hole, which you won't be able to see off on the camera because it's really buried up deep. Try and do it with the tweezers, but you might just start to see if I look at the camera, you might just start to see that in there the head of the rivet is popping out. And like I said, it was easier when I did it before because I was doing it outside of the bogey. Problem with these Hornby coaches is the actual bogey is also riveted in as well, so it's not like some of the later ones that have got the plastic pop-in bogies, because then you could just pop the bogies out and work on them a lot easier. So fortunately some of my other Hornby stock has got those type of bogies on them, so that should be a bit easier. But what I will do is just keep persevering. Just taking your time. There we go. There we are. That, as they say, is job's a good un. There you go. That has completely removed, and that is now ready to accept the new coupling. The thing I will show you on the other end is, because of the height of this coupling box, which I will show you in a second, did mean that I had to take away all the detailing edge here, and I've had to hack away a lot of the plastic just so that that continues to move freely. As you can see with this end that I've just done, on this other end, pretty much all of this buffer beam from underneath the carriage corridor way, I've had to sort of cut away and hack away. So when I said to you earlier on, obviously in regards to your scalpels and your Stanley knives, that's where they come into play. And then the files once you've finished. So I'll leave that part of the video there, and I will come back in a second. Many thanks. Hello people, it's Shane again from Stourval. So I've got over the issues which had previously shown in regards to the height. What I'd done actually was swapped round to the other type of coupling, so I took the mainline coupling. So I cut out the original one with the box and the raised bit where the original Rivet coupling sat. On the bit where the lugs were either side of that, I've actually put some Yoo-hoo glue and actually glued the main line Bachmann one in over the lugs, held that in place and waited. And when you will see this lined up in a second, you will see it is the absolute perfect height. So bear with me a second as we just get on the tracks. Let's get everything in some sort of focus for you. So there we go. So as you can see, perfect height. So I'm absolutely well chuffed with that. The unfortunate news is when I went to replicate this at the other end, the coupling which had previously suffered some damage had suffered some more. So I'm either going to have to try and rig up some other thing if I'm going to carry on using this coach, because I think the bogie is probably beyond repair. I am trying, I am sticking it back together, hoping and praying, but I'm just thinking the amount of tension it will be under when pulling trains, it's, you know, probably not going to happen. So I'm going to have to fix something else up. But yeah, I'm really pleased to manage to sort this out. The reason why I picked this coach was obviously it'd be great if it worked, but it would be one that I was less devastated about if it went badly wrong and the coach wasn't repairable. So thanks very much. I know it's been a bit of an in and out video, but thanks for sticking with it. I hope people take something out of this, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Many thanks. Bye.